Yorkshire on our way to Whitby. Travelled this morning from Bridlington. It's about 44 nautical miles, and we were going to go to Scarborough, but the tide was with us at 7 o'clock this morning, so we've pushed on, and we're now very close to Robin Hood's Bay on our port side. Charming little village just on our right. As we're going along here, you may be able to see, not too far from the boat, a couple of lobster pots, which are a major hazard for propellers and yachts, so we need to keep an eye out for them. But we've got a beautiful day, the sun's shining, the tide's just about to turn against us, but behind us is going back to Scarborough, and then beyond that Bridlington as well. So just going past Robin Hood's Bay, high water Whitby, which is our port destination, is 1703. At the moment it is, let's have a look, 1320. We're going along at about 4 knots. We're 7 or 8 miles away from the entrance to Whitby. Our estimated time of arrival is 15:51, so that's a couple of hours before, or an hour and so before high water, which is fine. You can get in at Whitby at 2 hours either side of high water. There's a bridge there that opens on the Arun every half an hour, so we'll call through to that when we get there, and we've let the marina know that we're on our way, and they're very kindly setting us up alongside another yacht. So a few hours to go, but we're blessed with absolute sunshine. It's a glorious day, nice wind, and the sun is shining, so we had a great sail so far. entrance to Whitby Harbour. Now the leading line is over on this side. Yellow house, 5.2 metres, and you go over towards the docks once